bananas, you guys. This entire box is only $15. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel where we do all sorts of unboxings over here. Today, I have a steal of a deal, you guys. This one is so good. I cannot wait to share it with you. We have an Allure Beauty Box that is only $15 for new members, and it is jam-packed this month. So if you've never seen the Allure Beauty Box, this is a monthly beauty subscription. Inside of your box, Allure does guarantee that you will have 3 full-size products every single month, and then they also guarantee that you will have 3 travel-sized items every single month. Now this month for October, they got really excited and we have more than 6 products this month. So this box is so full, you guys. It is jam-packed. Additionally, if you are a new member to Allure in the month of October, you can get this entire box for only $15. So it's a holy bananas, steal of a deal kind of day. But wait, there's more. Not only can you get this entire box of beauty for only $15 and free shipping this month, you can also score a free full-size product as a new member. So for the month of October, everyone that signs up in the month of October will receive a free fragrance from Malin & Goats. Now this fragrance is a full-size product. It is scented as dark rum. This is 9 ml, and like I said, it is full size. I know sometimes at first glance these look like travel-sized items, but this is legitimately the size that they make it in. Now this fragrance smells really good. I feel like this is the perfect scent for fall time. So I love that we're receiving it here in October. So this is what it will look like here. It will be your glass bottle, and then inside you will have your roller ball, which will be your perfume oil. Now this fragrance, I feel like it's strong as in, you know it's a fragrance, but it's not a strong alcohol scent. It's not like burning your sinuses. You know what I mean? It's not like menthol or peppermint. It's not strong in that sense. I actually feel like this is very warm. So you can smell that rum note in there, but it feels like a very warm scent, great for fall, like I mentioned. So if you guys want to sign up in the month of October and receive this perfume absolutely free and save $10 off of your membership, I do have a link and discount code all down below for you. Well, now let's get into our beauty box this month, you guys, and there is so much to unpack. We have a lot of products in here for October. Like I said, we have our usual 6 products in here. However, we also have sponsors this month. We have extra items in here. I mean, like, this box is full. So the first item that everyone will be receiving in the October Allure box is from Ole. This is a full-size product, and in my opinion, I do think this is the hero item of the box. So this is their dark spot toner. It is 190 ml or 6.5 ounce. This brand is extremely bougie, very expensive. This will pay for your box and then some. It's so expensive. But to get it inside of a box for $15, I mean, that's just unheard of, you guys. I do a lot of unboxings, and you never get deals like that, right? Like, you never get a full-size Ole Henriksen for $15 plus all these other items. So this will be your classic toner. It is also going to target dark spots and making them brighter and to even out that skin tone. Additionally, this will have AHAs inside of it. So this will help to smooth out any texture that you might have. It's going to fight against fine lines, wrinkles. It is a multi-purpose toner, if you will. So it will target a lot of things at once and really help to even and brighten and clear your skin up. So you do want to use a cleanser first. Make sure you have clean skin and then follow up with your facial toner afterwards. Because it is full size, this will last you quite a while as well. The next full-size item that we have in our box this month is from Mielle. This is a sugar scalp scrub, and it's scented as rosemary and mint. So this will be a product that you're going to put onto your scalp. The sugar crystals are going to agitate and work off any dead skin cells that you might have, any like dry skin or dandruff, anything like that, product buildup. It will help to clear your scalp, but it's also going to smell really good because it is mint and rosemary at the same time. So this is 6 ounces. It is a full-size product and it's completely sealed. One thing that's awesome, if you can see here in this cap, it actually has a very narrow point. So it's great at getting underneath your hair and actually getting to your scalp. You don't really want to have this in your hair because it's not going to be as effective. You really want to get down to that skin, break up any of that dry skin that you might have. And because it's fall time, it's very typical that we start to see more dry skin, especially in the form of flakes. So this is a great product to have right now. Clear it all up. And like I said, it's going to smell good too. We are up to our third full-size product inside of the box this month. This is from Skin & Co. and we have an illuminating serum here. This is called the Sicilian Light Serum. This product is full-size, and if you're not familiar with this brand, it is all made in Italy. So it's a really cool company. They focus on skincare, and they do have products for like facial skincare, but they also do body care as well. So they make a lot of products. This one will feature prickly pear and blood orange, also their truffle complex. Now they typically will feature that truffle complex in all of their products. It's kind of like their secret ingredient or complex that they create. This one will be cruelty-free and it is completely vegan as well. So it will help to brighten your skin and plump it up afterwards. Make sure you're applying this after you've cleansed, after you've toned. You want to make sure all that's done first and then follow up with your serum. Oh, and did I forget to mention, this retails for $60. So speaking of skincare, we've been talking about toners, we've had serums in here, but of course we have to kick everything off with a cleanser. So our next item inside of the October box is from Curology. This is their full-size gentle cleanser. And it not only will get rid of oils and makeup and debris, any sort of dirt you may have, but it's not going to strip your skin or clog your pores when doing it. So it is safe for sensitive skin. I love that they included a gentle cleanser in here because it will work for everyone then. Now this will lather up into a foam, so it comes out as like a cream and then it will turn into a foam once you add water. This is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free as well. This is a product that I've not personally used. However, my sister loves it. And ironically, she told me that she looked at the October Allure box and I was like, yeah, here's the spoilers. And she goes, that's the reason why I'm getting this box is for this cleanser. So she uses, I think, all of the products from Curology. She has like the whole system, you guys. I mean, she's a diehard for their products. Works really well. I mean, her skin looks great. So this is a product that she swears by and says, this is the holy grail. You guys are gonna love this product. Like I said, I've not used it, but based off of the way her skin looks, I have high hopes for this. I guess the only downside is you may become addicted to that product after using it. So we've unboxed a total of 4 full-size products this month, not including the new member gift at the moment. So everyone has those 4 full-size products. Now I'm gonna show you the 5th full-size product this month. So this month, everyone will be receiving a product from Florence by Mills. However, there will be 3 different options available. So each box will vary depending on which item you have inside of your box. In my box, I have the Hit Snooze Lip Mask. So this is a full-size product, and this lip mask is actually a jelly formula, and you're just going to apply some directly onto your lips. You want to let it sit for like 15 minutes before removing the excess off. That way it's really hydrating, conditioning your lips. I think this is, again, perfect for this time of year. But keep in mind, you may get this item, and then again, you may get a totally different item. So this is what your jelly will look like. It honestly is beautiful. I love how glistening it looks. So if you don't receive this product, the other 2 products that are available this month are a hydrating lip oil. So one of them is clear, and then the other one that they have does have a colored tint to it. Honestly, I think all 3 of them are great for this month. It's great for this time of year again. They're all centered around hydration, keeping your lips moisturized. So I do think they're all applicable, but the other 2 are lip oils, and then like I said, this is a lip mask. So that's a total of 5 full-size products that everyone is getting this month in October. Now I'm gonna show you guys one of the travel-sized items that we're gonna have this month. This is coming from Belief, which is one of my favorite skincare brands out there. I am obsessed with their moisturizers, you guys. This is a product that I will stand behind. So this is the Aqua Balm Eye Gel. This will help to take care of any dark circles that you might have in that eye area. It's also going to give you hydration, brighten it up. It's going to take away that tired look that you may have as well. This is what it will look like, so you can try it out, see if it works for you or not. I love all things Belief though. I'm not kidding you guys. Their lotions, their moisturizers, they just work so well for my skin. So this one, very excited to receive. If you wanted to buy the full-size version, it would be $32 for 15 mil. This is 5 mil that we have here in the box. Now, the next two items that I'm going to share with you guys are going to be from sponsored brands. So they are sponsoring the box this month. So the first product that I have in here is from Liquid IV. This is their Hydration Multiplier Electrolyte Drink Mix. There will be a total of 3 sticks inside of this package here with 3 different flavors. So we have white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. Now the other official sponsor this month is from Olay. This is also showing up in several boxes right now. So this is one of their new products and it is their cleansing melt. So this will be a double pack, which I really like. I had this previously in a different subscription box and they only sent us one of these packs here, but we actually got double with Allure. So I think that's even better that we have so many. So these are great to take with you on the go. They're very easy and convenient. We have a total of 12 dissolving pads in here, and then this will be your facial cleanser that you can take with. Whew, we did it! So that is everything inside of the Allure Beauty Box for October. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. But I'm going to give you a quick recap because we just did a lot of products. So whether you are an existing member or a new member this month, everyone is going to be receiving a total of 8 products inside of their October box. And of those 8 products, 5 of them are full size. But as a new member, the benefits are really good this month. So not only will you receive everything that I just showed you guys today, you're also going to save $10 off instantly when you sign up with my link and coupon code. You'll get this entire box for $15 and free shipping. Additionally, you're also going to get the fragrance oil for free inside of your box. And then on top of that, you're additionally going to receive a $10 gift card to spend in the Allure Beauty shop. Holy bananas, this is a great month. And again, if you're looking for a gift for someone, 9 products here for $15. I mean, you just can't beat that. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.